Let's be honest. Kissing is kind of weird. You're basically pressing your face hole against someone else's face hole, and somehow that means, I love you. So, who came up with this? And why do we all just go along with it? Well, nobody actually invented kissing. It evolved. And the origin story is both gross and adorable. Millions of years ago, our ancestors fed their babies the same way birds do, by chewing up food and passing it mouth to mouth. Yeah, pre chewed baby food, delivered via kiss. Disgusting? Sure, but it worked. And more importantly, it created this deep association in our brains. Mouth contact equals safety, love, and this person will keep me alive. That's some powerful wiring. Fast forward a bit. If you watch chimps and bonobos today, they're constantly touching lips, licking each other's faces, doing little mouth to mouth greetings. It's not romantic, it's their version of a handshake. Hey, we're cool. I trust you. Please don't bite me. So humans didn't pull kissing out of nowhere. We inherited a rough draft from our primate cousins. But then evolution did something extra with humans. Our lips became insanely sensitive, like more nerve endings than your fingertips. Why? Because we needed to talk, and talking requires super precise lip control. Side effect? Kissing feels amazing. All those nerves are plugged directly into the pleasure centers of your brain. So, what started as a feeding technique became a full on dopamine delivery system. And here's where it gets wild. When you kiss someone, you're not just swapping spit, you're running a biological background check. Your body is picking up on hundreds of tiny chemical signals, hormones, pheromones, even genetic compatibility. There's this thing called MHC genes that affect your immune system, and studies show we're naturally attracted to people whose MHC is different from ours. Better immune diversity for future babies. So, a great kiss? That's your body whispering green flag. A terrible kiss? That's your DNA screaming run. Now, plot twist. Not everyone on Earth kisses. Ancient India and the Mediterranean were super into it, but traditional East Asian cultures? Not really. In China, Japan, Korea, for most of history, romance meant holding hands, touching foreheads, maybe a nice hug. Kissing was kind of foreign, and some indigenous tribes today still don't do it at all. So, kissing isn't some universal human instinct, it's a behavior that got popular in certain places and spread from there. So, what's the bottom line? Kissing is a weird, beautiful accident of evolution. It started with gross baby food, got refined by monkeys being friendly, became amazing because humans won't shut up, turned into a secret genetic scanner. And then culture grabbed it and said, this is romance now. Nobody invented kissing, it just happened. And honestly, that's kind of the most romantic part.